us.
Right, and then
But it's
inside the
easier to see without
PVC
the
pipe
octopus.
is magnets, and the magnets move up and down, and then
Oh. They're easier to see from the top. But if the faster you go, the more voltage you get out of it. So at the speed the waves are going, we might not be able to get enough voltage to actually light up the LEDs because it's about 1.7 volts.
so I do the multimeter.
Yeah. Sure. We were gonna do a multimeter while it was in the water, so that if it does work, we can still see that it's working without having to light up LEDs.
I'll let it run, but everything for help.
Okay. I think I'll just hold these. Hold up.
Those should be on AC.
Oh, thanks. One sec.
Oh.
So yeah, that's RMS, I think. Not bad.
Oh yeah.
See it? Yeah, I'll hold it up.
For the
No,
Oh.
that was good. That was good.
Something detached. What happened?
I don't think so.
Just this unwrapped a little bit, maybe.
I think the wire got
that
unglued.
one came from the top. That's okay.
Yeah, well,
I
it got
was
unglued
afraid.
from the bottom. Like it was glued on, but it ripped off.
Okay.